If you want to set up a VPN on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, you can, for example, open settings on your phone. Then we should be able to proceed to network and internet. In here we have the VPN option, and you can set up a VPN by, for example, creating your own profile by using this plus button in the upper right corner. However, this method requires you to have all the required information that allows you to create the VPN profile and connect to a VPN server. Of course, if you don't have that kind of information, then you will not be able to create the profile in here. If you do create it, then of course then you can go to that VPN, you can select that profile, and then you can connect to it. Another way to simply set up a VPN is by using a VPN app. We can find a bunch of VPN apps in the Play Store. If you go to the Play Store, you can just simply search for a VPN, or if you know the name of a specific VPN that you want to give it a try, that you want to install on your phone, then of course you can provide the name in here, and then you can use that specific VPN. If you don't have any idea what kind of VPN you can use, you can just search for VPN and you can try any of them. I actually encourage you to try a bunch of them in order to find out which one is your favorite, which one you like the most, which one is the most suitable to you. So in my case, I'm gonna install this VPN app over here. And of course, the setup most of the time is pretty similar, and most of these VPN apps are free, or they offer the free the free usage, or free plan. And not every VPN app requires you to pay for something. Of course, they usually do have like a premium offer or something that you can purchase in order to have access to more features. But generally speaking, most of these VPN apps are actually completely free, so they offer some of the free features for users that are not willing to pay for a VPN. Once the app is installed, you want to open it. And in this specific case, we have the option to use the app without having to create an account. So in my case, I'm gonna actually continue as a guest. And then you might be able to see the premium offer, which of course, if you want to, you can pay for it. But first, I would recommend you to at least check out the app and see how it looks, how it works, and so on and so forth. So in my case, I'm gonna just tap on Not Now. And then you should be able to connect to a server. Now in this specific case, in the case of this app, we can connect to a random free server. Of course, if you get like a paid version of the same app, then you will be able to choose the specific country. And be sure to also check out some of the settings that are available for your app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.